I am Brandon. We are here for Pick a Card. In fact, I know it's Pick a Card because I made a sign, and I'm going to put the sign up now. There we go. Haha, look at that. We're advancing. Today we're going to be using the Psychic Tarot cards. In fact, I'm giving away this exact deck. I have a bonus one. I have two of these, the Psychic Tarot cards. I have one right here. It's still in its plastic. If you write me to my P.O. box and you ask me for this deck, you will get this deck. First one to get to my P.O. box and ask for this gets it, okay? First one, all right? That's the way. You got to get there, okay? First one, going to you. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. We got two cards. We're picking cards. Two cards. We're picking cards. Card number one, right there. Card number two is right there. Let's see what we've got. Okay, card number one, we are dealing with moving on. Sometimes in life, you gotta move on. It's not always a fun thing. In fact, sometimes it could be a little disappointing. But this is life. I'm not even gonna bother reading the book on this one because I know this so well. There's moments in life where it's like something's happening and you realize like either A, you are not in it anymore. You're emotionally not invested. It's like you're watching a TV show and you've just like lost interest, like what happened to all the actors I liked? Oh, they all left last season. Why am I watching this? Like, it's that feeling of like, okay, I'm gonna move on. It could be a toxic relationship. It could be a situation, whatever it is, move on. Just move on. Easier, right? Okay, card number two, The Waiting Game. Now, this one I am going to read because this one's a little more complicated and a little harder to understand. So let's read this one. Okay, page 135. This one's a little more complicated. Okay, so this card indicates that you've worked hard to set things in motion in certain areas of your life, and you are now waiting for the results to come to fruition. The number 2 is all about choice and decision. In the past, you may have been afraid of making decisions or choices, but now you are no longer held prisoner by this fear or the constraints of old beliefs. You must expect the best and be open to the limitless power of your intuition, which is presently very strong. Trust and use it to assist you. Achievement and success are assured, but once obtained, do not let it change you. Remember who you are, the effort that it took to get to this point, and the gratitude that you need to show the people who helped you. Stay on your spiritual path, for it will continue to guide you on your journey. I like that. Stay humble. All right. I'm Brandon. Those 2 cards right there. Hopefully you picked them. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.